Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have the Hilti TE-905 AVR Soviet stop TPS system. This is some protector tool from the tip. Okay, the problem for this one is that the service light is go red. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's blink red. Okay, of course I can try to turn it on. Nothing happens. I can try to touch the TPS, it's still nothing. Okay, so what I will do, I think I'll remove the handle, I will check the cord, of course, for the first start.
Okay, the service light can mean something that can mean that the cord is bad or the carbon buttons turn out. The other thing is that
it can be that the tool is broken or it's just sour for the maintenance. Get some small screws here. Okay.
Okay, I'm opening the handle because I want to see the cord. Okay, someone was opening it because it's one screw missing here. So, okay, I'll unscrew the second one.
Okay. What we have here, you have the cord, the controller unit. Okay, I need to take out all the controller unit. Okay, and I will get to the cord. I will do that with multimeter. I will just check the resistance of the cord. So it will beep if it's good. Okay, just testing. Okay. Okay, it's not beeping. Okay, now it's beep. Okay, so it's beep, so I will try it with the current. Okay, I will loosen any of the wire here. Okay, now I will turn it on to the socket. Okay, so yeah, it's 222 volts, that's good. Okay, I'm trying to move the cord. Okay, the cord is good. So, what we know now that the cord is good, so
now I will just open the cover.
okay, getting it out. Fuck the grease, I forgot about the grease. Okay. Yep, forgot about the grease. Just don't forget to unscrew this cap and take out the grease. Okay, now it's too late, a little bit too late, so.
Okay, of course you can check how it spins. Okay, it must go easily.
So, yep, now it's go easily. Sometimes the ball bearing can be stuck, so the motor will require the higher frequency, so it will be a higher load and the controller unit.
It'll show the service because it sees it's a fault. Okay, so now definitely this will need a new grease. Okay, now we'll just take it to the box.
Okay. So now I'll open this cover.
attach it to the magnet.
Okay, so 6 screws here. Okay, we'll try to take it out. Okay. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to unscrew the screws here because I want to get to the hammer housing. Okay, so I see it's a really big torque here. Okay, we'll try to unscrew it with a drill. I think it will not be able to do that because it's really high load here. Okay, I will take this one. I will try to unscrew it.
Good. Going. Okay, we'll try to take it now with the drill. You can see the grease on the housing here, so I will clean it later. Okay, I'll try again with this key because I'm afraid to break my key. Fuck, how hard it is. Okay, we'll try to. No. Okay, maybe I will not break this one because it's really too small for the bolt like this. Okay, it's going. And then there's bolt for this one. Fuck, how hard it is. Really. Fuck, and fuck again. Okay.
Okay, maybe it will go like this now. Okay, this one is out. And the second one's almost out. So, okay. Finally. Okay, we'll change the paper here. Okay, now it's the color. In the dust, of course. So now I want to remove the tool holder. Okay, I have the hammer here. I will take it out. This one goes to the bottom. Okay, what we have here. Oh, you are so greasy. Okay, so the hammer is out. You can inspect it from the burnout. Okay. So we can see that it's shiny here, so maybe it's not a big problem. Okay, so the hammer looks really not bad. Okay, so I think I will leave it as it is. Okay. Now the other parts, I will take them out with my finger. Now it's a grease out there. I take some paper, it will get a grease here. Maybe it will hold a load. Okay. Hey, it got easy. Okay.
Okay, it's 4 screws here holding the housing. So, 4 screws, you can see.
So, I will try to take the housing out. Of course, it's a grease inside, so. Okay. Okay. Fuck, the grease. Okay. clean some grease. Okay, I'm trying to take it out. Okay, it's out. Of course, a lot of grease inside. It's good. Really, it's good. It's a good sign. Here we have the tool holder. Okay, and I think it holds here. What, you can remove it or not? Okay, you must have. Okay, so it's a housing. Okay, what we can see from the beginning, of course, we need a new ball bearing here. The second thing, okay, yeah, definitely we need new carbon brushes. They're out. It's a auto stop feature. So little spring come out and disconnect the carbon brush. I think if you don't have the special tool for that, okay, just press it out like that. Okay, it pops out somewhere. Then you're looking for it. So now it's the armature winding. Okay, it's the same method for removing it. Okay, you need just to lift. Yeah, as you can see, gentle like with a woman. So okay, so the carbon brush holder in it. I will try to push it out with the pliers here. Okay, so now out now. Check the contacts here. Check the carbon brush holders. It looks good. Okay, we have the armature here. Of course, I will try to knock it out from here. Of course, do that gently to not damage the gears, because it will be in a big problem for about 100 euros. Of course, if it's not a problem for you, 100 euros, then it will be a small problem just to replace the part. Okay, so what we have here, the plastic cover, I will remove it, or I will try to remove it. Okay, so I'm getting it out. Okay, so grease here, just inspecting the armature for the burnout or something. Okay, this one needs to hold perfectly, I think, so it's no holes in that. What we have more here? Okay, so some kind of cover. Okay, so oh, you got out. Yeah, so one of the important parts here. Okay, it's you, and it's really, now it's nothing important out there, so I will just fill it with a paper. The grease not come out. Okay, the connection rod. So striker out there, yes, a striker. Definitely we need a new O-ring. You can see there's a flat surface here. Yeah, definitely, sorry. We need new one. Okay. So now about this little baby. So it's a ring here, spring ring. I will try to take it out. Okay, the spring ring is out. So now we need to knock it down to take out the connection rod and check that. Okay, I will try to just knock it out with a hammer.
Okay, so it's okay, it's going. I will put it on a vise, I think.
Slowly, but it's going. Okay, so now I can disconnect the connection rod. Okay, I will take it out from the end here and check the O-ring. So, okay, we can see that the O-ring started to crack here, so definitely it needs to be replaced. Of course, it's a flat, so it's really worn out. The connection rod is looks good. Okay, the ball bearing here looks good too. Of course, we can take it out, but I don't think that we need to do that. We can see that it's good, it's moving around easily. Of course, before repairing it, we'll need to wash it, very carefully wash it. Okay, so thank you for watching. That was a Hilti. Okay, so little baby here. Okay, that was a Hilti TE-905 AVR with TPS system. So, and it was a service light on.